Hi, I'm Hanbit, and I'm a pastry chef from Korea. Today, I'll be showing you how to cook an amazing caramel. It's my first video on YouTube today, and I am super excited. Before I show you how to cook the perfect caramel, I want to tell you about the two different types of caramels. There's wet caramel and dry caramel. Today, I'll be showing you how to cook the dry caramel. The main difference is that the wet caramel has water in it to start with, and that results in some other differences. Well, the other difference is that it takes longer to cook the wet caramel because it has water in it, and the end product is slightly different. The dry caramel has a stronger flavor and a stronger note of caramel because it doesn't have water in it. Some people find dry caramel easier than the wet. Some people find wet caramel easier than the dry. It depends who you are. And I think there are pros and cons. So, you decide. But today, I will show you how to cook the dry caramel. So caramel, let's look at the ingredients. It is super simple. It's sugar, fresh cream, and butter. Usually, you just need sugar and fresh cream. The butter is just an added bonus. The recipe I have here today is what I call an even ratio caramel. What I mean by that is I have 100 grams of sugar and 100 grams of fresh cream. So in goes the sugar. And while that's melting, I'll heat up my fresh cream in the microwave. What you need to remember when melting sugar is that you want it to melt as evenly as possible. You can see the sides starting to melt. And once you see that coming, I'm going to stir it around and make sure that it melts evenly. I'm going to stir it. I get a lot of questions on when to add the fresh cream into the melted sugar. Well, the point is that you add it in once you get small bubbles, and you'll see what I mean. The timing is crucial because that decides how strong the caramel flavor will be. And now you can see small bubbles coming up here. Do you see the bubbles? And that's when I add in my caramel. Make sure you stir it well. Do not add all the fresh cream in one go. You'll burn yourself. Now I've turned the heat off. I think it's hot enough. Honestly, the smell of this caramel flavor is just amazing.
Wow!
Now I'll add in my butter. And you just need to stir it in. All right, so that's caramel done. And I'll tell you a bit more about the major problem that you can encounter. You can have split or separated caramel. And that happens when your fresh cream isn't hot enough. The temperature difference between the caramel, between the melted sugar and the fresh cream is what causes the separation or the splitting of the caramel. And so you need to make sure that your fresh cream is piping hot. Well, so that was my first video and the video on how to make the perfect caramel. So please click like and subscribe if you liked it. And come on, it was my first video, right? Thank you very much. 감사합니다.
You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet. I've tried some time, and I'm dying to tell you.